What is the difference between null equal true and blank equal true in Django? In Django, null equal true sets null versus not null on the column in your database. Blank values for Django field types such as DateTimeField or ForeignKey will be stored as null in the database. Blank determines whether the field will be required in forms. This includes the admin and your custom forms. If blank equal true, then the field will not be required, whereas it is false, the field cannot be blank. In combo of the two is so frequent because typically, if you are going to allow a field to the blank in your form, you are going to also need your database to allow null values for that field. The exception is CharFields and TextField, which in Django are never saved as null. Blank values are stored in the database as an empty string. Example, model.DateTimeField blank equal true. That means raises integrity error if blank. Model.DateTimeField null equal true, null allowed but must be filled out in a form. Obviously, of those two options don't make a logical sense to use. Though there might be a use case for null equal true, blank equal false if you want a field to always be required in forms, optional when dealing with an object, though something like the shell. Model.CharField blank equal true, no problem. Blank is stored as empty string. Model.CharField null equal true, null is allowed but will never be set as null. Char and text types are never set as null by Django, so null equal true is unnecessary. However, you can manually set one of those fields to none to force set it as null. If you have a scenario where that might be necessary, you should still include null equal true.